how to turn on or turn off auto adjust screen's colors on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on display. Next, in display, we scroll down and tap on Eye Comfort Shield. In here, you can choose adaptive. If you want to turn on Eye Comfort Shield and select adaptive. This will allow your phone to automatically adjust the screen colors based on the time of day. Another option is to select custom and then tap on set schedule and choose sunset to sunrise. Here it will allow your phone, so I'm just gonna set some permission here, and by choosing the set schedule to sunset to sunrise, it will allow the phone to automatically adjust the screen colors. When the phone gets to sunset, it will turn on adaptive eye comfort shield, making your screen more yellowy or yellowish, or more bluish. And that's it. So using that option here, custom, and set to sunset or to sunrise, or you can set a custom time. So between a start time and end time, it will automatically activate Eye Comfort Shield. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.